Today I will show you how to edit drop down menu on Squarespace, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I want you to do is to log into your Squarespace account. Once you're done, you're going to choose the website that you want to edit the drop down for, and once you're in that, this is what your dashboard should look like. Now on the left side, we're going to go to website. Now we're going to go to pages, and on the pages you're going to locate the drop down that you want to edit. And as you can see, there's a setting sign next to the edit. You can click on that. This will allow you to change the page title or change the navigation title and the slug. And in order to add pages, you can click on add pages. You can add a new page, or you can move any of the pages that has been created already, and you move it into the drop down. And once you drop it, like this, it's gonna go into the drop down. So now when when you test the page, you click on home, you click on this, it's gonna drop down to the about page. And likewise, you can also remove the page from the drop down, and this is gonna reload, and this is gonna vanish, and it's gonna come here. Now that's how to edit drop down menu on Squarespace. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.